Artichoke farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Artichoke is a nutritious and profitable crop with increasing demand in local and export markets. Artichoke is a delicious and nutritious vegetable, which is basically a flower bud. Artichoke, whose scientific name is Cynara scolymus, is a nutritious and medicinal vegetable. Artichoke vegetable can be eaten boiled and is also used in pasta, salads, or soups. It can be beneficial for diabetics by controlling gastric acid and helping in liver detox. Dear viewers, today we will know how to cultivate artichoke. We will discuss all the steps to cultivate the artichoke vegetable step by step. Cynara scolymus is originally a plant of the Mediterranean region, but with the right climate and care, it can also be successfully cultivated in other places. Artichoke usually does well in temperate or cool climates. Temperatures of 15 to 20 degrees Celsius are ideal. Too much heat or too much cold is not suitable for this crop. Well-drained, loamy or sandy loam soil is good. The soil pH should be 6.5 to 7.5. It is best to prepare the soil in advance with organic fertilizers such as compost, rotted manure, etc. Mix organic fertilizers in loamy soil to create a soft and well-drained medium. Collect high-quality artichoke seeds. Cultivate the soil well and sow the seeds 1 to 1.5 centimeters deep. Here, the row-to-row distance should be 1.2 to 1.5 meters, and the plant-to-plant distance should be 0.9 to 1.2 meters. Water lightly every day, so that the soil remains moist but not muddy. Regular irrigation is necessary, especially in the dry season. Excess water should be avoided, as it can cause root rot. Keep in a shady place with light and air circulation, not in direct sunlight. Shoots usually germinate in 7 to 14 days. When the seedlings have 4 to 6 leaves or are 15 to 20 centimeters high, transfer them to the field or a larger container. It usually takes 30 to 40 days to grow seedlings from seeds. Gray spots on the leaves, fungal problems, aphids, thrips, etc., may appear. Organic or low-toxic pesticides can be used if necessary. Harvesting season is typically in spring to early summer, depending on your region. Buds can be collected 6 to 8 months after planting. They should be picked when the flower buds are well filled but not yet hard. Harvest before the flower blooms once the purple petals start showing.